The story of the tiger and the donkey. Character. The Tiger King, the brave friend of the forest, patient and intelligent. Tiger. Hey friend donkey. Today it will be fun to walk from one end of the forest to the other. We will go together, no one can do anything. Donkey, indifferent face, angry inside. I don't know what's fun, but today my luck seems to be heading in the wrong direction. The two friends walked. Suddenly the donkey entered the bamboo thicket and cut off its tail. Donkey shouting, the tail is cut off. All my balance is gone now, what should I do, Tiger? Tiger calmly, smiling. Friend, remember whatever Allah does, He does for the good. Maybe this small accident will save you from a big danger. Donkey in his mind, angry. I understand everything. I will return this tiger one day, yes, I am right. They were walking, suddenly the tiger fell into a big hole. Tiger screaming loudly, Alas! Friend, help me, I can't get out of this hole. Donkey stopping suddenly, with a cold face. I think God did the right thing. Whatever He does for the good. You stay here, I will go alone. The donkey kept walking, the tiger kept screaming in the hole. Tiger smiling softly, feeling hurt. Friend, are you really leaving me? Shouldn't we have gone together? Donkey to himself, laughing again inside. He. Now let's see what happens. The donkey was walking alone. Suddenly it was seen that the Brahmin had set up a net for sacrifice in the middle of the road. Donkey eyes wide, stopping. Oh father, what will happen to me now? The donkey slowly got caught in the net. The Brahmin came and caught him. Brahmin with seriousness. Hey, who is this? Now you have to sacrifice. The donkey showed his cut tail. Brahmin laughing, scratching his head. Ha, cut the tail. Now I'm letting you go. Such a big animal, it would be bad if it didn't have a tail. Donkey laughing, inwardly. The tiger is right. Whatever God does, He does for good. The donkey ran to the tiger. Donkey excitedly. Friend, now I'll lift you up, and if there's any more danger, I won't let you go. Tiger laughing, relieved of his pain. Honestly, if I hadn't fallen here, you would have left on your own and wouldn't have been able to save me. Then he would have caught you and sacrificed you. Donkey laughing, raising his hand. You're right, friend. In fact, everything is God's plan. Tiger roaring softly, with peace. You're right. Today we both learned whatever God does, He does for good. Two together, excitedly. Yes, we understood that sometimes what seems bad is our protection and well being. Other animals in the forest standing at a distance, shouting together. You see, everyone, God always works for good. Sometimes, even though an accident or danger seems bad, God's goodness is hidden behind it. We have to have patience and faith, because everything turns out well at the right time.